Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add Soundpack to FiveM. Let's get started. First, download a Soundpack. You can find free ones on FiveM forums or other trusted sources. Once downloaded, make sure the files are extracted and ready to use. Next, locate Grand Theft Auto 5 installation folder. On Epic Games, go to Library, then click the three dots, then go to Manage, then click the folder icon. On Steam, go to Library, right-click GTA 5, then go to Manage, then browse local files. Inside the GTA 5 folder, go to Times64, then go to Audio, then SFX, and here you'll see several RPF files that controls game sounds. Before installing the Soundpack, it's important to back up your original files. Instead of deleting them, simply rename them. This allows you to restore the default sound anytime. Now, copy the Soundpack files you downloaded, paste them into the SFX folder, and make sure the files replace or match the original file's name. Now, open FiveM and join a server. If everything is installed correctly, you should now hear your new custom sound in-game. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.